Yan, so nakita nyo nag-charge. Alright, this is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And this is an iPhone 15 Pro Max magnetic case. And this is our magnetic power bank. What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. So magre-review tayo today ng ating magnetic case. Right? So this is from Nakasave All Day. And this is really affordable. So let's try it sa ating cellphone. So this is how you put your iPhone 15 Pro Max magnetic case to your iPhone. Yan. So saktong-sakto siya. Medyo basag lang tong cover ni wife. But for the buttons, yan. Malambot lang siya, no? So crisp yung buttons niya. Hindi yung some other cases kasi medyo mahirap pindutin, matigas. But this one, okay siya. You see? Hindi siya ganun kahirap. Power button, all working. And may plastic pa siya, ha? Take note. So this is the magnetic one. Let's try it. So this is not a sponsored ad from Romos. So this is what we are using pag lumalabas kami. Yan, so nakita nyo nag-charge. Alright? So this is really effective and this is really affordable. But the thing is, katagalan kasi naninilaw yung mismong clear case. So that's the problem. That's the only problem with clear case. But if you want to flex your phone, your iPhone and other phones, you can use magnetic. You can use this magnetic case na clear. Kasi parang kitang-kita yung logo and kitang-kita yung design. Like this one, this is a black. And kitang-kita nyo siya. Alright? So what are you waiting for? Click the yellow basket and comment down your thoughts below.